Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made this distress bucket art. I made it from scrap piece from my previous tutorial. In case you haven't watched it, you can go to the description box. I'll leave the link down below. So first thing first, you're going to need your normal household items. You really don't need much calculation in this tutorial. Just look for something that you can use to form the down part of this art. The average human skull is 22 inch or 23 inch, so we are going to need two of these flay at the down, and then you're going to of course open the flay. So this is what's going to serve as the flay of the art. So next, what I'm going to do now is cut the top part, the very top part of the art. So this is what I use because this fits directly into my skull. So you just look for a plate that fits directly to your skull. And the circumference of this is actually 22 inch, which is still very much okay. And then I'm going to do the middle part. So I'm just going to measure 23 inch, and then the width is actually 4 inch. So now I'm going to attach the top to the middle and then to the down. So that's what I did here. This is the scrap part to the middle part, and then I'm going to stop stitch it around like this. So after joining these two pieces together, I'm just going to attach it to what I've already done, and I'm going to face it inside out before sewing it around. So just sew it and you get to the very end of the line, which you will now attach the two ends for closure. That way you can stop stitch it like this. So this is what you have afterward. You know, this flay is actually irregular because it's a cycle. So to get a distress that is synchronized, it's very hard. So I use this strip, round it, of course stop stitch it, and then you can get a very synchronized distress from this strip, because the flay won't give you that. But I'm going to still distress it just to give it, you know, some kind of funky look. But this is it, guys. Just distress this part and then the inner part, and you get the results that you need. So this is a beginner friendly video. Everybody can do it. Just follow my video step by step. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and of course turn on the notification for my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.